Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a handy environment variable called msys_no_pathconv equals 1, which is particularly useful when working with Git Bash or minitgw on Windows. Unable to create service principal with Azure CLI. Facing this issue recently and found the below solution to fix the issue. msys_no_pathconv equals 1 prevents Git Bash from converting Windows-style paths to Unix-style paths. Imagine you're running a command or script that expects paths in Windows format. But Git Bash converts them to Unix-style paths, which is causing errors. 1. By setting msys_no_pathconv equals 1, you ensure that paths are passed in their original Windows format. Avoiding these compatibility issues, export msys_no_pathconv equals 1. Let's say you're using Azure CLI commands in Git Bash and need to pass subscription IDs or file paths in Windows format. msys_no_pathconv equals 1 ensures they are correctly interpreted. To summarize, msys_no_pathconv equals 1 is a valuable tool for maintaining path consistency when using Git Bash or minitgw on Windows.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.